I've got the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, and I'll be showing you how to connect them via USB-C cable. Okay, so you can actually use them wired. Now, these headphones are currently connected to my phone via Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to do is switch them off. Now, once they're off, there's a Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box. But of course, you can use any Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, on this left-hand side ear cap, there's a Type-C port. So you want to plug it into the Type-C port right there, like that. And then the other end, you can connect it to your phone. In fact, I'm going to use a different phone from the one I've paired to. Let me use this iPhone, which also has Type-C. And once you connect like that, you can see it's going to ask you, are you connecting a pair of headphones? I'm going to select headphones, and that's it. Okay, so we are good to go. You can see there's that little orange light. That means the headphones are also charging as we are listening to it via USB-C, and you can get lossless music like this from Spotify, and you can even play the highest sound quality from even Apple Music or whatever app you're using. So I'm gonna try it out. Let me just play a song here. I'm just gonna put them on. And they sound so good. Now, I'm just gonna check my Bluetooth settings just to confirm that they are not connected via Bluetooth. But when I put them on, they sound really good. Okay, so I'm playing music directly wired via USB Type-C. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.